How's it going, everybody? So in today's unboxing, I'm going to be unboxing this ZOTAC GeForce GT 710. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and open this puppy up. So here we have the front of the box. Of course, we do have the ZOTAC GeForce GT 710. It does have an extended warranty, and this card does have 2 gigabytes of DDR3. So here's basically a shot of the back of the box right here. And yeah, that's basically it. So let's go right ahead and unbox this. All right, so the first thing we get to see, of course, we do have some drivers here. And we do have the ZOTAC quick installation guide right here. And we do have the small form adapter, as well as a different one. So I'm thinking this is for the VGA, this is for a DVI to HDMI adapter. So you get that. And then, of course, you get the actual graphics card. And there it is. Yeah, there we go. That's the graphics card, of course, right here. So you got the adapter, so you have VGA, HDMI, and you have a DVI. One of the things that why I bought this this graphics card is I was kind of looking around and I noticed that, you know, there was some graphics card with an actual fan on it, but I just decided, I was like, you know what, I really don't want a fan, I just want just a heat sink. So I'm not going to be doing any gaming with this graphics card, but nonetheless, you know, this will work. Alrighty, so that is the unboxing of this ZOTAC GeForce GT 710 graphics card. Like always, I really do hope you enjoyed the video, and we will catch you on the next one. Alright, so there we go. That is the unboxing of this ZOTAC GeForce GT 720. It wasn't 720, it was 710.